Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
From the earth to the sky, the entire universe follows the same path. The rising of the moon and the sun at its time and its setting at its time, the flow of rivers in one stream. Trees grow and grow in a pattern. It says that the creator of this world is one and only one. Otherwise, there would have been a mess in the management of the world. 124,000 prophets and all the heavenly books have also stated that God is one. If there was another God, he would also have sent prophets and revealed books. Hence, it is known that God is one. If there were two gods, the world would not run on one color. If there were two gods, there would be another world created by the other God, and the moon and the sun would be of two types. But that is not what proves that God is one. What is the first argument for God's oneness? What is the second argument for the unity of God? How did you know that God is one after looking at the world? If you know the answers, reply in the comment section down below, and keep watching to know the correct answers.